do a pull. Who doesn't love rice? We all love rice. If you don't, you need to eat more sushi. What's up everybody, it's been a minute. The GR Corolla is back on the channel. So behind the scenes we have been working on quite a few different items for the car and for plans that are going to be debuted at SEMA. Many of you guys don't know yet, we are not going to be at round 3 and 4 of the GR Movement race series. So the car is going to be on hold until we debut it at SEMA. What we were working on was this new complex harness bar. Shit, what am I gonna call it, a harness bar or a roll bar? So this harness roll bar looks absolutely amazing. It is a 4-point harness bar. It does have quick release points, just a simple Allen key. It is powder coated to match the car. It looks awesome and match with the red seats and the white Willens harnesses. Richard really killed it out of the park with this. It just really pops. It sets off the interior and the look that we're going for. So this was our race spec GR Corolla. We're excited to show it to you guys and here it is. Dang it. Failed. Shit. Dude, this view from back here is so sick. This interior is so cool. It's so simple. So as you can see, it has been powder coated gloss white to match the gloss white factory Toyota paint on the outside. As Richard calls it, it is a little bit ricey, but who doesn't love rice? We all love rice. If you don't, you need to eat more sushi. White on white, all things. If it was up to me, this thing would have white wheels too, but that might happen later. If I can convince everybody to be on board, then I'll go ahead and do that too. For now, we're gonna go ahead and jump on over to the new Apex N1 Evolution Extreme exhaust that is debuted on this car. The prototype is on this car. It sounds amazing. It's just the right amount of noise. It's not obnoxious. It's not annoying, it doesn't drone, really brings the car to life. You really get that turbo sound coming out of the back of the pipes. It houses the factory exhaust valve and everything's still in the system, so there's no check engine lights. The car's good to go. All right, so here is our in-depth review of the new Apex exhaust that is available now for the GR Corolla community. This exhaust features 4 titanium tips meant to use the factory exhaust valve, so everything bolts in like factory. You have no issue with any check engine lights and not having the valve plugged in. It sounds awesome. It is super subtle tone. On cold start, it has like a little bit of a rumble to it. You can really tell from the outside. Now, our car does not have back seats or any of the hatch area interior pieces right now because of this new beautiful harness roll bar thing. I didn't notice any drone in any particular RPM range or speed range. If you could really hear the tones of that 3-cylinder G16 engine, and it sounds awesome. Completely different from our track exhaust, but similar in one fashion. They chose to do that twin center tip on the track exhaust due to weight outside of going to titanium piping. So we only did the center exit option on the track system, but this fully street legal catback has and is utilizing all 3 sections of holes where you can have these titanium tips in this nice pretty blue just peeking through that rear bumper valance. We're stoked to be working closely with the guys at Apex USA and helping out with Apex Japan, also testing some products. We're super stoked to have this on the car. It looks great, it sounds great. Now, this isn't just a Toyota Corolla. This is a GR Corolla. It is all-wheel drive, turbo, it is performance oriented. So keep that in mind when you're looking at purchasing an exhaust. This car is in the same price point as the new FL5 Type R. FL5 Type R's with a valved exhaust system are in this same price point. So keep that in mind when you're looking at an exhaust for your GR Corolla. exhaust valve opens, you can actually hear the rush of air exiting those pipes, and it sounds freaking awesome. I don't know if our track exhaust has that same tone or not, or if we can capture it on video. Damn, this sounds awesome. It's really exhilarating, gets those hairs standing up on your arm, and wants you to keep rolling through the gears. So right now we're at about 4,500 RPM in third gear. Let's get on it. Woo! Forgot about that little freeway jump. Now this car also does have the Tom's air filter in the factory air box, and you are really getting a lot more suction noise out of the front end as well. You do get some wastegate flutter depending on your throttle input and your RPM and where you release it. With the windows closed, you can really hear that shine through. We are getting quite a bit of road noise with the rear cabin being naked, basically. Outside of just ongoing road noise, there's no weird rattles or anything, because nothing's left loose. It's just not there. God, I miss this car so much. After a couple rips down through third gear all the way to redline, this exhaust is awesome. Keeps that nice linear tone all the way through the rev range. It's not annoying at 66 miles an hour right now in 6th gear. A little bit of vacuum right now, not into boost at all, but there is seriously no drone coming from this exhaust right now. This is insane. I remember when I had my FK8 Type R and I decided, first things first, car is too quiet. I need an exhaust ASAP. It was a straight through design with a resonated midsection, and it wasn't supposed to drone, but damn, that was so annoying to drive that I couldn't drive anywhere between 65 and 79 miles an hour. I either had to be going 60 or 80 plus. This exhaust is good for the entire RPM band, whether you're cruising in 6 at 2,500 RPM and just chilling on the freeway, or if you're really revving through and want to coast at a higher RPM, still the same, no drone. We do a pull. Little rev limiter for you, so you know what it sounds like when it hits that rev limiter. This thing's freaking awesome. Let us know what you guys think in the comments below. Apex, you guys killed it. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. So we wanted to show off that new updated roll bar, harness bar, and the new Apex N1 Evolution Extreme exhaust. If you guys are interested in that exhaust system, hit us up on Instagram at Just Driven, or you can email us info@justdriven.com, and we can go ahead and help you guys get set up. But for now, catch you guys later. We have it out here at the Great Parks. Alright, so we're finally back out here with the GR Corolla. It's back. I just said that. Alright, we're finally back out here with the GR Corolla. We just got the car back. What am I doing? It's the same fucking thing I just said.
You did, yeah.
Those people are fighting over my shoulder. Or they're about to make out. Ooh.